I'll be going over our first essay, which is entitled Dream Chasing. It is indeed a narrative, and I hope you'll enjoy it. So, as you can see, we have our reading here about how a janitor at Frito-Lay invented hot Cheetos. So we're going to learn about how the hot Cheeto chip was created, and we're going to use this to springboard us into our essay. So please check out the discussion question, paying attention to what traits Richard Montañez exhibited as he went after his dream. So let's actually take a look at the prompt, Dream Chasing. As you can see, these are our deadlines. The very first one you have to focus on is the outline and getting that done, as that one is due Sunday. And we will have a workshop next week. I'll explain how that goes in the next module. And as you can see, here's the final draft date, the 17th. And let's take a look at the prompt itself. I like the picture. Here we have Richard Montañez. So check this out. In the article entitled How a Janitor at Frito-Lay Invented Flaming Hot Cheetos by Zachary Crockett, we see that an important part of achieving dreams and success requires taking risks and being brave. This means moving forward despite our fears and anxieties. The thing about a dream/success is that it doesn't look the same for everybody. These dreams and definitions of success can range from entrepreneurship, helping others, family-oriented goals, artistic ambitions, etc. There's no monolithic dream or definition of success, as each varies from person to person. So, in this essay, you're exploring this central task. If there were no limitations or fear holding you back, what would you say is your largest goal or dream? And these are guiding questions. So what's holding you back? Can you do anything about that? If so, what are some of the steps you can take now? What can you take from Richard Montañez's story as you move forward on your own journey? Remember too, all big goals are made up of baby steps. So what can you do now to start moving in that direction? And I want you to see this as a gift from me to you to really choose something that you want so you can start moving in that direction, especially now as college students and you're putting in your time in your classes. So it's good to have some sort of direction towards where you want to march. So view it as that. For this one, I'm going to ask, the final draft will be at least 3.5 double-spaced pages. The points will be essays 100. Our workshop, which we'll do next week, I'll explain the logistics of that in next time's module, and having collect MLA format, which actually we're going to learn about, and even having the works cited page, we're going to learn to create our own works cited page. So that's how that works. Here's the dates. And for this one, of course, you're answering this question, you're exploring your own dream, and you're offering relevant and critical thinking, right? And pay attention to that. So I want to show you the brainstorm. Also, one last thing, I'm really big on offering samples. So here's some samples of previous students who have written this paper, so you can check that out. For the brainstorm, which is due Sunday, as you can see, there is this worksheet here that I'm asking you to please fill out. So here's the central question, right? What is your largest goal? You're choosing your biggest goal or dream, and you write it here. And then here you can answer the responses to these things. What's holding you back? Can you do anything about it? What steps can you take now? Once again, all big goals are made up of smaller baby steps. I very much see it like if the completion of a goal equates to filling a glass jar with marbles, then you just do so, one marble at a time. There's only so many hours in a day, so I like to think of it like make the daily manageable goal, and that's what will add up as you start marching in the direction towards where you want to go, the direction of your goal. What can you take from the article from Richard Montañez as you move forward on your own journey? What are some of the traits he exhibited? And actually, our discussion board for this week will help you with your thinking there. Here, too, if there's any questions you might want to ask yourself concerning this topic, you can do so, and then a space for your own responses. This is neat because it allows you to really field questions towards yourself and offer further, deeper thinking. So that's the brainstorm worksheet. Please make sure to get that one in. And that is our first essay. Have fun with this. And remember, all dreams and goals are made up of smaller baby steps. So I hope you enjoy this essay.